Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's stretch out our neck and our shoulders. Close your eyes as you take some deep breaths. Bring your chin towards your left shoulder. If you want to add a little bit of pressure, you can bring your left hand towards your cheek to push it a little bit more. Make your way to the other side. We come back to center. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder this time, placing your right hand on top of your head as you extend your left arm out to the side. Make your way to the other side. Come back to center, lowering your right ear to your right shoulder again, and now drop your head back. Left ear, left shoulder, chin to chest. Continue to repeat these head circles. Really take your time. Switch directions. And we come back to center, taking some big shoulder circles to the back. And now to the front. Reach your arms forward, touching your palms together. Keeping those arms straight, you lift your arms overhead. And now open your arms, bringing them down. And close your hands together. You might feel your shoulders crack or pop. That is completely normal. Let's repeat this motion a couple more times. And we close the hands together. Now open your arms wide as you drop your head back and close your hands. Tuck your chin in towards your chest. Do that a couple more times. And we close our hands, tuck the chin, lower your hands down now, walk your hands forward, and then just rock gently from side to side, releasing any tension from your neck or your shoulders. Slowly roll up. Circle your arms up overhead and bring your hands to heart center as you take a deep inhale, breathing in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.